Hey guys, welcome back to the another episode. If you want to buy books or if you want to buy Kindle, then this is the best time for you because Amazon is coming with the Prime Day next week यानी कि 26 और 27 को Prime Day है. At that time you will get Kindles, you will get books, you will get so many things for more than 50% discount. So if you want to buy so many books, अगर आप सोचते हो कि you don't have money and you wanted to buy books with some discount, then this is the great deal for you. We also have the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale and Amazon Great Indian Sale after few months, probably Diwali के आसपास होगा. उस time I will make a dedicated video, but this is going to be a short video. If you have the money and if you want to buy the Kindle or if you want to buy some books, then make sure you watch this video. I'm going to make this video or I'm going to buying system for very easy for you ताकि आप easily buy कर सकते हो. And I'm going to post all the deals in my community tab as soon as on the 26 or 27. So make sure you are subscribed and press the bell notification so you will receive all the notifications and you can buy so many books. Also subscribe to the newsletter where I'm going to share so many great deals with you. The only problem is if you don't have the Prime account, then make sure you get the Prime account first. If you are a youth यानी कि आप college student हो, then you can get the Prime at the 50% discount. There is a link in the description. You can check out and get 50% discount at the Prime account. And if you don't have Prime, then ask your friends, relative जिसके पास भी Prime account हो, ask them and so they can provide you their credentials and you can buy books from their account. So let's see how this Prime Day works. Just go on the website here. You will say Prime Day 26, 27 July. Here just go deep, like down. आपको mobile, laptop वगैरह करना, you can check that. But directly go to the end of the section. Here you can see Kindle at 4,000 off on the e-readers. Like if you want to buy the Kindles, then you can get the Kindles. And here are the books, like up to 50% off on the books. Just click on it. And here you can see the books at the 50% off. Just go on that books on the 50% off and you will realize so many things. See here you can get the editors corner, the offer zone भी है, higher education कूलर वो भी आपको मिल जाएगा. But see, buy 3 books more and get extra 7% off. Save up to 5% on the bundle. If you buy the bundles, then you will get extra 5% off. Save 5% off more on the coupon code. So you can shop by the new release. You can buy the bundles. You can buy the new release. Even if you can buy the famous books also, like if you can go down, then you can buy the future authors books also, or the series like Harry Potter, Game of Thrones, Diary of Wimpy Kid, which is one of my favorite. And clearance, they also have the clearance sale. Like if you want to clear a lot of books, then they give it at the 60% off. So basically what you have to do is you have to go here to the offer zone, and when you go to the offer zone, then you will find so many great deals for you by all the authors and everything. Just you can go here and you will see all the great books. See, you see here up to 30% off on the fiction, school books, children, 40% off on the fiction, 50% off the fiction, and up to 60% off on the fiction. So you can directly go and click on this link and you can go to the link. That's how you can buy the any books you want. And if you want to buy the Kindle, then you have to do the same stuff, so you can get the Kindle also at the cheap price, but you will not receive so much discount, but definitely you can get the books at more and more discount. Also, if you use the HDFC debit card or the credit card, then you can get more 10% off. Like you are going to buy the books at 50% discount. अगर आप कार्ड यूज़ करते हो HDFC क्रेडिट या डेबिट कार्ड, then you will get extra 10% off. अगर आप ज़्यादा बुक्स बाय करते हो, then you will get like more than 3 books, then again you will get 7% off. So that's how you can think about this everything, and you can buy more and more books on 26 and 27. Also, I'm going to make your life easier. There is all the links are available in the description where you can directly click on that link and you can directly go to the Amazon page where you will get the list of all the 50% off book. You can get in the fiction, you can get the list of crime thriller books, you can get the list of non-fiction books. Just to check out the link in the description and you will find all the books that you want in that list. Also, there are so many books that I also wanted to buy. Probably I will share my list on the Prime Day, like Sunday, Monday ko 26 and 26 ko Monday. I will try to share everything on the Sunday in my newsletter. So make sure you subscribe to the newsletter if you want to receive all the great deals or if you want to buy so many books. So that's all about the Prime Day. This is a short video, but we have a limited time, so try to buy as many as books on the 26, 27. on the Prime Day, and you can read so many books. If you want to buy the Kindle, then I will put the link in the description about the Kindle. You will receive around 1000% to 10% to 1000 rupees off on the Kindle, because last time भी वही deal थी, इस time भी शायद वही deal होगी. So make sure you buy this book and you will have so much material to read. So you will never think about I don't have money to buy, or I don't have anything, or I never get the discounted book. So make sure you check out all the link in the description and you can buy books. So that's all for the today's video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.